Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we will be making a mouth-watering recipe which is chocolates. Now you must be wondering how to make chocolates at home. But it is really very simple to make chocolates at home. So we will be making different kinds of chocolates today. So let's see how to make it. The ingredients required for making chocolates are, we need various compounds. These are available in the market. So I have taken this dark compound which is the most bitter one. This is the milk compound. This has got little bit of sweetness, but it is not too bitter, neither too sweet. And this is the premium white compound, which is very sweet. If you want to make only white chocolate, then we'll only use this one. But if you want to make dark chocolates, so we'll be using a mixture of these two, because if you use only the dark one, then that chocolate will be very bitter. To add to the taste, I have taken these black raisins. We'll be using them while making the chocolates. And these are some crushed cashew nuts, which will give another very nice flavor to chocolates as well. Firstly, you need to cut the white compound into small pieces, and then we'll be melting this compound by keeping it in microwave for 30 seconds first. You can even use a double boiler to melt the chocolate, but I am using microwave. And once 30 seconds are over, we will be beating the chocolate again. My 30 seconds are over, so you have to mix it like this. So this is the white compound, and once we mix it, we'll again keep it in microwave. Again microwave the white compound for another 30 seconds. While we are beating the white compound, I will show you this mold of happy anniversary. I'll be making this chocolate simultaneously, otherwise the chocolate will get thick. So we have filled this happy anniversary section with white compound, and I'm simultaneously preparing this marble chocolates, where I have firstly I've placed the white compound first at the bottom, and then we are topping up with the dark compound. In the dark compound, we have added both the bitter one and the little sweet dark compound in this mixture, and similarly we have microwaved it. In this fashion, we'll create all the chocolates. In the dark compound, we have added crushed cashew nuts. Now we'll be topping this compound over our happy anniversary mold. So pour this compound over it, and let's see if we get a nice result. This will be a very interesting chocolate. And I must tell you that if while after microwaving you see that the compound has turned little dry, so you can even add 1 to half teaspoon of any cooking oil or the eating oil which you take, be it refined oil or olive oil. And once we have put the compound in the mold, you have to tap it like this. And I have taken another mold, which is a shell shaped mold, into which we'll pour the remaining dark compound. Now I will show you another variation of making another type of assorted chocolate. So for this, I have firstly placed the crushed cashew nuts at the bottom, and we are then topping it with the brown compound. So once we unmold them, we'll get cashew nuts on top of brown. So combination of white and brown here will also look nice. So you can try out any kind of variation while making chocolates. So here comes another variation. I have used black raisins here. So I have firstly placed black raisins, and then we'll be making marble chocolates as we had made earlier. So we'll be topping up the black raisins with the white compound first, and then we will top it up with the brown compound. Now we'll keep all these molds in freezer for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes since we have kept our chocolates, and you can see I have taken out the shell shaped chocolate. Now we are taking this happy anniversary shaped chocolate and we will be unmolding it. You can tap it slightly and be very careful while you take it out. You can see we have got such a beautiful happy anniversary chocolate here, and the impression of the flower is also very clear. Similarly, I will unmold my marble chocolates as well. So you need to just press it lightly and the chocolates will automatically come out from the mold. And they're looking really very lovely and beautiful. In similar way, you can prepare any type of chocolate. You can add dry fruits, actual fruits, and you can see chocolates have come out really very nice. My assorted chocolates are now ready. You can see we have got beautiful looking different combinations of chocolates here. So I'm sure you can't wait to make these chocolates at your home. Isn't it really very simple to make it? So try making chocolate recipe and let us have your reviews. Thank you.